welcome back to another episode of JAXO, where today we're fighting Super Macho Man, big scary boy, isn't he? Yeah, he has nipples. I know. It's horrifying. Oh, look at the nipples. Super Macho Man. No. Ow! Ow! He's got nipples! Look at his nipples go! You thought I would never beat Sandman. Huh? Why would you think that? You stupid. If you thought I would never beat Sandman, ow! 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 Yeah. So. For this one, 10 strikes and you're out. Pretty much. It's scary. Oh, that's a little bit loose. If it falls, then sorry. Because it probably will. Oh, look at his pecs. But he's the macho man. By the way, I've only fought this guy like twice before. Wait, what? Why did we not die? I just took a lot of damage. What is the amount? Why do you get so much hit stun whenever you block that uppercut? Like, there's so much hit stun to it. Uh-oh. No! Ah, that's me. Ugh. See, it's a 2 strikes, you're out. For all the people who doubted me on beating Sandman, this is to you. Hehe. Surfer dude. Have you ever seen Total Drama Island? This dude is Jeff. Just, older. Like 10 years older and black hair. Why did they give Super Macho Man grey and black hair? Like, ah! Can you obviously see he's a blondie? Like, if you're gonna make somebody good looking, you have to make them blonde. I'm not saying that if you're not blonde, you're not good looking, but like, alright, I'm just gonna shut up now. I don't like, oh wait, no, that's me, I'm dead now. I should stop trying. It's like, you only... I was watching like a guide for Punch-Out, and it had a guide for like every single character, and for this one it was like, for Super Macho Man it was just to be like, don't be afraid or something. And then I was like, I'm already afraid of my man's nipples. Am I allowed to say nipple on YouTube? I dodged that. I clearly dodged that. Look, you're telling me I didn't dodge that, and I am disagreeing with you. Because I definitely dodged that. Alright, Nintendo. But oh my god. Oh my god! I just destroyed this fool. But Now he's gonna do this to me. Yep, he does it more than once. I always forget that. Yeah, that was only the first time he knocked me down. Ow. What? I can't even get, I've never even been into round 2 with this guy. That was the best I've ever done. That's sad, isn't it? I can't even get into round 2 with the dude that's supposed to be easier than Sandman. Well, no, he's supposed to be harder than Sandman, but he's easier. Because I don't know. Explain yourself, Nintendo. Also explain yourself, Nintendo. How did that hit me? Huh? No! You don't get any time to react. That's just punch out for you, really. Oh, yeah. Last time I got him down at 1 minute 43. What is it with getting him down at 1 minute 43? No. Oh, no. Huh? What do you mean? Oh. I swear I need to get an auto clicker for this. Just like 1 million clicks per second. I am speed. I wonder how quickly my heart would go. I wish I had a button on my controller that turned on a auto clicker. Like, I've got some random button on the middle of my controller. I wish it could be like an auto clicker button. Nipples! I'm gonna call his special move the Nipple Hurricane. Nipple Hurricane! Nipple Hurricane? That sounds so stupid. I don't know. A Nipple Hurricane! I did. Not only did he smash my skull, but also my brain. I did. I do be dead too. POV, you're dead. Thumbs up, guys. Being dead. Joking. I'm joking. Oh. You need to... Oh! I dodged the Nipple Hurricane. I didn't know it was possible. Why did I do that? What am I doing? What am I actually at? I thought I was up. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, there's 1 minute 51. Oh, you can't even see the health bars, can you? There they are. Oh, but now you can't see Mac. No, I dodged so many. I did so well that time. I dodged like 40. Ah, macho. You're a macho, macho man. Hey, hey. Beep, 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 baba. Can't start a fire without a spark. It seems higher. You're a macho, macho man. No! Ah, that does do a lot of damage. I didn't even realize how much damage that did. Oh! Nipple Hurricane is unreal. And I hate the delay in that move. Nice. Star Punch. Knockout. Surely that's going to get him down a bit. Notched up at 5. Amazing. What? And you don't even get anything for that? I dodged all the Nipple Hurricanes though. Don't you just hate it whenever you don't get anything for dodging Nipple Hurricanes? It's the worst. Ow! Ah! Right, we'll do one more round then. I swear to God, the Nipple Hurricane man. Nipple Hurricane man. You're a macho, macho man. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah? Okay. Yep. You can just do that amount of damage. Why is it that I do all of this in a minute and then he lets off 2? He gets 2 punches. And look at my health. Why there? Why did you have to do it there? No. Yes. Alright. Oh. Oh God. Oh, I thought that was 7. It was just 3. Ow. But I dodged it. I can't believe I dodged it. I might even get into round 2. Come on. Oh, come on! Are you joking? No! Ah!